Good day everyone and welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Subscribe so you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So now today we are commencing our series on the Sketchware, the use of Sketchware app for app development. There are other apps you can use for Android app development like AID. Those are mobile apps. Then you can also use that for this on a PC. You can use Android Studio, which is the official app development IDE for Android. So neglecting that, let's just go straight to Sketchware. Here I have the newer version of Sketchware that I'm using, which is Sketchware Evolution. Then subsequently I'll also be using Sketchware Pro. But you can just download Sketchware from Google Play Store. It's okay since a beginner series. Then when you get to an intermediate level, I'll be dropping the links to download this in the description. So now let's just get to it. I'm launching Sketchware Evolution. Okay, so we're into Sketchware. This is how it will look like even if you download it, even if it's just the normal Sketchware. So let's get started. Let's click on this plus icon down here. Okay, plus icon. Then it says enter application name. It says enter application name. So now let's for this series, for our first app, we'll name it my first as the app name. Then if you click on this advanced settings, clicking on it to toggle up this drop down menu. So here we have so many confusing things that you don't really have to bother yourselves with for now. We have the color accent, color primary, color dark, color control highlight, color control normal. But on clicking this help icon here, just clicking that, we can see we have a very small menu here showing us what each and every of these terms here mean. That is the color primary, the color dark, color accent. You can see the status bar where the notifications are shown and the time is shown is called the primary dark. Then the toolbar of the app is called the color primary, then and so on and so forth. So now let's input the package name. Let's put the package name. You can name your package. The package name can be anything. I can call it com0m dot my first. This is a valid package name. If you notice, in the package name, there's none of the letters in capital letter, so everything should be in small letters. And the compulsory thing in the package name is there must be at least a dot. It's not a must. It should start with com com, but the composing thing there is it should have at least a dot. I can name it app dot my dot my first. Okay, so you can see this also a valid name. So that's for the package name. The package name is the name of like your program, the name of your program, not the project name, but instead the name of the program. So now we're down to the project name. So let's just clear this and write my. Notice how I write the each and every one of these names. You can see in the application name, I just can just write at random. Can mix both capital letters with small letters. Just write. I can even, if I wish, I can even put a number there. So I can write at will the application name, but in this project name, my, if you notice, it's given an error here. So space are not allowed. Space are not allowed in writing the project name. Space are not allowed. So instead, what I'll do is my underscore first. My underscore first. So this is a valid name, and I can also do this as capital letter M Y then first. This another recognized proper way of naming the project name. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Now down to this point here, to the code version. Down to the code version now. So when we click on this is just the code version 1 to 6. That is the code version of your app, not Sketchware. So version 1. So now I'm just going to leave it default at version 1.0. So let's save that, then click on create app. Wait, before I leave this point, if you have an image for the, like an icon is just an image describing the app, like on the desktop, just an image representing that app. So if you have an icon you want to put for the app, just come over here and click on tap to change icon. Presently now is at the default icon, which is the default Android app, which is this is the default Android icon. So if you want to add your own icon, you can choose from gallery or choose from gallery scrub. So I'm just going to select this. Okay, let's do for something quickly. Just go with this. Okay, let's go with that. Now let's just leave all this color accents, color primary, leave others in default. So now let's just click on create app. Okay, Now we're into Sketchware. This is the Sketchware. This is the workspace. Here's the workspace. This area, and this is linear layout H, then linear layout V, then horizontal scroll, also vertical scroll, and card view, the swipe refresh layout, and so many other widgets. They are classified here. We have the layout section. Sorry for that. We have the layout section. Then we have the widget section. Then we have I think that's all we have. So now let's just get to creating our first app. We're just going to display a simple hello world text in the app. So come over here, text view, then drag and drop. Okay, now let's click on the text view. Then we have this lower panel here. Click on layout, graffiti, central horizontal, central vertical, and select that. Then the graffiti, central horizontal, central vertical. Okay, we'll notice our text view has shift to the middle. That. Then let's change the text. Yeah, let's change the text. So click on it. Let's change it to hello world. Then save. Okay, then let's change the text size to, let's do 20. Okay, then text style to bold, and the text color to, let's just go with orange. Yeah, I guess that's okay. And in subsequent videos we will understand the use of each and every one of these other features. So now let's just simply click on run. Let's run our app to be sure we've done the right thing. Just click on run. Okay, you can notice the apps icon right here. My first. Okay, let's just install this. Then open. Wow, so we have our hello world displayed here. You can see the name of the app, my first, and you can notice the hello world. So we are successfully be able to print hello world, to display hello world in the app. So this is the basic app for this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when newer videos are uploaded. So just download the app, then play around for a while. See you next time.